Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Log into your router admin panel and note the Wi-Fi SSID and firmware version. Once done, pick a reputable VPN provider that supports router installation. This matters because per network protection requires the VPN to run at the gateway. Make sure you've got your VPN account credentials and any key or configuration files. Next, check whether your router needs custom firmware. If so, download the correct build, but do not install yet. Prepare a backup of current router settings before proceeding. Now configure the router with the VPN settings. Access the VPN section in the admin interface and upload the provider's OpenVPN or WireGuard config files. Then input authentication credentials and install any required certificates. This is why you prepared those files. Once the tunnel is established, enable the router-level kill switch or firewall rule so that if the VPN drops, devices lose internet rather than leak. Also set routing to force all Wi-Fi LAN traffic through the VPN. Make sure DNS is set to the. Finally, validate the setup. Connect a phone and laptop to the Wi-Fi and confirm the external IP reflects the VPN location. Test DNS leak protection and run a speed check to ensure acceptable performance. If a service fails, try split tunneling or whitelist that device. Otherwise, keep all traffic through the VPN. If anything goes wrong, reboot the router, re-enter VPN credentials, and if necessary, restore the firmware backup you made. One key troubleshooting tip: roll back firmware if the router is unstable after flashing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.